In today's industrialized world, most of us spend the larger part of our time indoors. Unfortunately, that's not always so good for our health, as research carried out internationally has shown that the air inside our buildings is almost always more polluted than the air outside. The World Health Organization has calculated that 1 in every 3 buildings in industrialized countries has serious problems with indoor air quality. Building-related illnesses is the term used to describe such problems. Perhaps better known is the so-called sick building syndrome, which affects so many building occupants. International studies have uncovered the startling fact that 50% of all cases of building-related illnesses are caused by air conditioning systems that are inadequately maintained. Building-related illnesses have been registered not only in buildings such as those used for offices, apartments, schools, and hospitals. Building-related illnesses also turns out to be a constant source of health problems in public transport, and the cause is exactly the same: dirty air ducts. When we look more closely at the air ducts of any air conditioning system, we soon see that insufficient or incorrect maintenance quickly leads to a serious buildup of dirt. Not just plain dust, but more importantly, unhealthy pollutants such as microorganisms, funguses, and pollen enter the indoor air through ventilation grills, with all the negative effects on the health of the building occupants. Indoor air pollution is a threat to people's health, directly causing significantly high rates of sickness. In the USA alone, the economic damage due to extra medical care and lost productivity is estimated at $100,000 million each year. When there's something wrong with indoor air quality, not everyone gets so unwell as to need to leave work. That's why when we look at the economic damage, we should also consider the huge losses caused by reduced concentration, which in turn leads to lower productivity and product quality. Building-related illnesses have a significant negative financial impact on the bottom line of our businesses that we can no longer afford to ignore. Considering the seriousness and the extent of the problems of building-related illnesses, it's no wonder that more and more governments in Europe, the USA, and Asia are establishing policies for inspection and periodical cleaning of air ducts. A steadily increasing number of laws and formal guidelines are appearing to regulate this specific area of building maintenance. You can appreciate that this is leading to almost explosive growth in the air duct cleaning business. Throughout the world, the high-pressure vacuum system is seen as the unbeatable duct cleaning system. The HPV system has gained this excellent reputation through a unique combination of features. The HPV system provides a guaranteed level of cleaning that easily meets and exceeds the strictest standards. It is equally effective in horizontal and vertical ducts of every type and diameter. And its unique features permit an unprecedented productivity in terms of length of duct per man-day worked. This is Edouard Jean-François Piguillet, the engineer and expert in air handling systems whose pioneering work made the HPV system possible. In the late 1980s, he started a development project based on a thorough strengths and weaknesses analysis of all available air duct cleaning systems. What he was looking for was a way of turning weaknesses into strengths, and this is the result. The HPV system uses a powerful variable pulsating air jet to clean ducts. Second and third optional stages in the cleaning process use the same equipment to disinfect the ducts and to coat them with a special material so as to restrict the adhesion of dirt and reduce the long-term buildup of new sources of air pollution. You can see that the HPV system is multifunctional, providing much more than just perfectly clean air ducts. endoscope is used at random locations to check the condition of the duct. This approach gives a good impression of how dirty the system is. Where necessary, an independent indoor air quality consultant may be called in to complete the picture with an analysis of the indoor air. With this information, discussions can be opened with the client. What precisely does he want? How soon does he want the cleaning done? Which sections of the system can be shut down and when? These and many other points are clarified and a proposal is presented. A plan is worked out at the start of each cleaning project, breaking down the system into a number of sections. These sections are then cleaned one after the other as part of a continuous process. With the HPV system, you can clean sections of up to 135 meters at a time. The HPV cleaning unit is introduced into the duct through just one single opening. Using a powerful pulsating and rotating stream of compressed air, the whole section of duct is then cleaned. The dirt, which is loosened and removed from the insides of the duct, is swept away by the pressure difference and collected in the vacuum unit. The high-pressure HPV unit remains in the middle of the duct throughout the cleaning process. This centralized position has clear advantages, such as allowing the HPV to clean better and more uniformly. And because the nozzle remains free of the duct wall, there is absolutely no chance of denting or other damage to the duct. And that has yet another distinct advantage. The noise level is kept to an absolute minimum. The automatic nozzle centering function is the prime reason why the HPV system continues to produce such excellent results, whether working vertically or horizontally, and whatever the form of the duct, whether round, square, or rectangular, whether internally insulated, and whether the diameter is large or small. As you can see, all the standard components of the HPV system are supplied ready to use in a comfortably sized, easily portable case with its own built-in set of wheels. A spider set with 18 nozzles, a compressor, a special modified brushing machine for greasy ducts, an air hose of 135 meters length, an extrusion unit, an endoscope with camera and light source, a flight case for transport, a metal scissor and drilling machine, and a mask. HPV Systems organizes special trainings for all your HPV operators and salespeople. These technical and commercial training courses can be held at HPV Systems headquarters in Eindhoven, Holland, or, depending on your contract agreement, on-site in your own country. Successful businesses are run by people who recognize opportunities.